Meme coins that could change your life in 2025. Welcome to our channel, Crypto Daily News Plug. In this video, I'm going to show you the meme coins that could change your life in 2025. But before that, if you don't know what is meme coins, it is the cryptocurrencies that are often begin as a jokes or parodies, but can get a significant value based on community engagement and market trends, in which there's a variety of meme coin that you can choose on the market right now. But in this video, we're just going to focus on these three, which is Sudeng, Toshi, and GigaChad, that have captured the attention of the cryptocurrency community, each with a distinct characteristics and potential for growth by 2025. But before you start buying some of this meme coin, make sure to also do your own research, or you can join some other community platforms such as this Reddit that serve as a vibrant platform for discussions and insights about meme coins, particularly among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, in which it offers a mix of community insights, investment strategies, and personal experiences. And now to start looking for the engagement of community of a specific meme coin, for example, this Soothing right now. It is also a popular meme coins since it is the first meme coin on the Sui network, is gaining attraction due to its community-driven approach and ethical initiatives. And analysts predict that Soothing could reach $0.4 by 2025. And now to know the exact real-time performance of it, we can use this platform called coinmarketcap.com to research emerging meme coins across different networks and analyze the price movements, market cap changes, and trading volumes that can help us to identify a promising investment. So now to proceed, just go to the search bar in here and kindly search for the meme coins Soothing in here. By simply clicking on it, it will automatically show us that this meme coin is currently under the top or rank 550th among 10,700 plus cryptocurrency listed in here, with a community sentiment of 89% bullish voted in here. But as you can see, the current price on this chart is bearish, which is also a good time in buying a specific meme coin, which is during the price drops, and start holding them for several days or weeks, and selling it at a profit when the price increases. And now on the left side panel, we also have here the historical data, while on the right side panel, the comments posted and the latest news from other investors as well. That could help us in our purchasing decision, where we can start purchasing it under this market section, where it will show us some of the exchange listing in here. And those exchange listings including BitGet, Mexi, BingX, HTX, Gate.io, and many more. And below it will show us the overview about this Soothing meme coin and other similar coins like Soothing in here. And now to add this meme coin to our watch list, you can simply click the icon on the top left corner or this star icon in here, and it will automatically added in our watch list. But moving on, aside from exchange listing on there, you could also navigate this Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, Mexi, Coinbase, and many more, where you can buy some of those assets in here. But going back on this page, we could also navigate or invest on this Toshi, which also has a good or a wide array of community engagement on Reddit, in which it is characterized by its playful branding and strong community support. And the coin aims to create a fun and engaging atmosphere for investors while also focusing on long-term growth strategies. Now going back to our coinmarketcap.com, from here just simply go to the search bar and search for this Toshi meme coin. And upon searching on it, it will show you that it is still currently under 142nd rank out of 10,700 plus cryptocurrency listed in here, with community sentiment of 89% bullish voted in here. So investors are expecting for the price of this to rise since it has a bullish majority vote. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the pricing, market data, and also the historical data that you can use in your purchasing decision. We have here all-time high, all-time low, amount, and many more. While on the right side panel, we have here different kind of news and posted from other investors and users who are willing to also invest on this meme coin. However, Toshi's potential lies in its adaptability and ability to resonate with the cultural zeitgeist of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. And here are some of the market exchange listing that you can also navigate, such as Bybit, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, and many more. And below are some of the Toshi analytics and overview of this meme coin. Now by simply clicking the star icon on the top left corner to start adding this to our watch list and start tracking the real-time performance of it easily in here. Now moving on, aside from that, We could also visit different kind of exchange listings in here. But moving on to this GigaChad, it is also a meme coin that has a huge community engagement on Reddit, leveraging humor and internet culture to engage users. And the potential for GigaChad is Tribe hinges on its ability to maintain relevance within the meme culture while attracting new investors. And if you try to visit on coinmarketcap.com and go to the search bar in here and search for this GigaChad, it will show you that it has a rank 133rd out of 10,700 plus cryptocurrency listed in here, which is quite impressive for a kind of meme coin. It also has a community sentiment of 86% bullish vote, which indicates positive outlook on the market or specific asset. And from here, you could also navigate to see the data or chart fluctuation for the last month, last 7 days, or 1 day in here, and also the historical data on the left side panel. While on the right side, it will show us in here some of the top posts and latest news from other investors who are also willing to invest on this meme coin. Now moving on to this market section, from here it will show you where you can start buying this meme coin. We have here Kraken, Coinbase, Mexi, and many more. However, before buying this kind of meme coin, make sure to stay updated on the news and trends impacting the meme coin sector, as this can lead to rapid price fluctuation. And now to proceed by simply adding this to our watch list by clicking this icon again on the top left corner. It will automatically add it in our watch list to easily track it the performance. Now each of these meme coins presents unique characteristics and potential for growth, but as an investor, you should also remain cautious and conduct a thorough research before engaging with these assets. And just invest the amount of money that you are afford to lose.